An introduction to QBasic. A computer is a versatile machine capable of performing various tasks. Does it perform these tasks on its own? No. A computer needs instructions to perform any task. A set of instructions is called a program. The person who writes a program is called a programmer or coder. A program is a step-by-step list of instructions given to a computer to carry out a particular task. Programs are written in a language called programming language. BASIC is a programming language used for beginners. BASIC stands for Beginner's All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. Syntax is the proper way of writing an instruction or command. A command is a single instruction in a program. Character set of BASIC. BASIC uses the following symbols as its character set. Alphabets capital A to capital Z, small a to small z, digits 0 to 9, and special characters. Constant value does not change during the execution of a program. There are two types. Numeric constant, that is integer or a real number, positive or negative. Example 12, 0, minus 7, 22.4, minus 3.705, etc. Alphanumeric or string constant, that is a set of characters enclosed in double quotes. Example Adobe 2018, sum equal to rupees 50, hello, Microsoft, etc. Variable, named memory location which can hold different values. There are two types. Numeric variable which can hold only numeric values, string variable which can hold string constants. Rules for writing variable names. 1. A variable name can contain only alphabets, digits and underscore. No special characters and blank spaces are allowed. 2. It must always begin with an alphabet. 3. Commands cannot be used as variable names. 4. A string variable must end with a dollar sign. Examples of numeric variables: C, ABC, X, M2, A underscore 6. Examples of string variables: A dollar, name dollar, RL1 dollar, P dollar. Operators are of three types: arithmetic, relational, logical. Arithmetic operators are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, exponent, bracket. Symbols are given and examples of how they are used are also shown. Relational operators are used in decision making and loops. Relational operators are less than, greater than, less than equal to, greater than equal to and not equal to. If A is equal to 15 and B is equal to 10, A less than B returns false, A greater than B returns true, A less than equal to B returns false, A greater than equal to B returns true, A equal to B returns false, and A not equal to B returns true. Logical operator does not compare values. It combines two or more logical expressions and produces a result which is either true or false. Logical operators are AND or NOT. If A is equal to 10, B is equal to 8, C is equal to 5, A not equal to B and B not equal to C returns true. A equal to B or B equal to C returns false. Not A equal to B returns true. Comparison between algebraic and basic expressions. We use asterisk sign for multiplication, backslash for division, caret sign for power or exponentiation. When there are several brackets involved in an expression, note that in basic, only first bracket is allowed. Loop. When a certain number of statements in a program have to be repeatedly executed several times, we say that a loop has been formed. If the number of repetitions is infinite, we say that the loop is infinite. If the loop repeats a specified number of times, we say that the loop is finite. A counter or control variable is a variable that keeps a track of the number of loops executed. Basic commands and their purpose. CLS, to erase everything from the screen. Let, to assign a value to a variable. Print, to display the output of a program on the screen. Input, to ask the user to enter a value for a variable. End, to terminate a program. Any statement written after the end will not be executed. Rem, to write a remark or title. Anything written after rem on the same line is ignored. if then. Deal with the condition. If the condition given after if is satisfied, the statement after then is executed. If the condition is not satisfied, the control shifts to the next statement. If then else. Deal with the decision making statement. If the condition given after if is satisfied, then the statement after then is executed. But if the condition is not satisfied, the statement after else will be executed. To be continued.